Hello everyone, Coach Carol here with you, and I wanted to share a simple way of using two URLs on the same screen together to make a little project work faster. On the left-hand side, you can see my Ancestry page for Samuel Denton, and on the right-hand side, I've got the GRO website open, ready to search for his birth. And what I can do here is, because I wanted to find out the births of all of the children of Nathaniel George Denton, just flick back to him. I have done the same for each of these children. So there were 6. So I guess it took maybe 15 minutes all up to do all this. I was just checking on the birth date with GRO. So I knew roughly what year they were born, and I could check by going into GRO over here and putting in the details. I did not put the mother's maiden name there. I was looking for it as a way to verify that this was the right one. You can put in the GRO reference details if you already have them. But the end result of that little search gave me this one, where I could see that Samuel Denton, born in 1853 in Kensington, mother's maiden name Rice, is the right person. So I could take a little screenshot of that and add that to the gallery for Samuel. I'll just go back over here and go into the gallery. And you can now see that I've got that copied and put in place. So it was simply saved by using my screen print over here, or my print screen. And I've got that set up so that it automatically allows me to highlight the area with a marquee using the crosshatch, like so. And it will give me a pop-up, which then allows me to save it. So that's the short process. So I did this for each of the children, for Nathaniel George Denton. And now that I've finished, I can simply minimize or put this one away, or in fact simply maximize this window to continue my next project. So it's a quick way to remind yourself of where you're up to in a little project of checking birth dates.